So we have seen this monohybrid and dihybrid crosses. ट्राईहाइब्रिड क्रॉसेस आप खुद घर में ट्राई कीजिए. इट इज़ सेम एज मोनोहाइब्रिड एंड डाईहाइब्रिड. सिर्फ एक ही डिफरेंस है, आपको अभी 3 कैरेक्टर्स कंसिडर करना है. ओके, सो ऑन दिस बोर्ड आई हैव गिवन यू रेशियोज इन वेरी शॉर्ट मैनर टू रिमेंबर. बट ध्यान रखिए, F1 जनरेशन पूछा है तो F1 के ही बारे में लिखिए. इफ़ दे आर आस्किंग अबाउट F2 तो F2 के बारे में लिखिए. सो वी हैव दिस फिनोटिपिक रेशियो 4:0. Genotypic ratio for F1 generation is also 4:0. In case of F2 generation in monohybrid crosses, your phenotypic ratio is 3:1, whereas your genotypic ratio is 1:2:1. Then coming to dihybrid crosses, in F1 generation the phenotypic ratio is 16:0. Your genotypic ratio is also 16:0. In case of F2 generation, phenotypic ratio is 9:3:3:1, whereas genotypic ratio is 1:2:1, 2:4:2:1:2:1. In case of trihybrid crosses, see, अगर आपको घर में नहीं समझ में आ रहा है, please comment down. So I'll just clear the doubt in the doubt solving lectures on Sundays. So in case of trihybrid crosses, your F1 generation would be for phenotypic and genotypic ratio both is 64:0, whereas in F2 generation phenotypic ratio is 27:9:9:9:3:3:3:1, and your genotypic ratio, I'll take it very simple, 1:1 2:4:2 1:1, 2:4:2 4:8:4 2:4:2, 1:1 2:4:2 1:1. Okay. Here at the upper end I have given you formula for F2 generation. अभी इतना सब क्रॉस करने के लिए you don't have that much time in your exam. So this is a simple formula for phenotypic ratio. It is 3:1 raised to n, and genotypic ratio is 1:2:1 raised to n. This n stands for number of characters. So I have got this ratios using this formula itself. In the next lecture, we'll be dealing with Mendel's experiments, and we'll see that why did he choose pea plant in particular for his experiments. Thank you.